Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. No, Will Robinson. Danger. Danger, Will Robinson. Danger. No, Will Robinson. Danger.
Alright, so while my main system is down with a bad battery bank, decided I'd put my thinking cap on and have a little warped fun here with my garden pond solar generator in the backyard. Said, well, you know, some blinky lights would be kind of fun. So I got into Amazon and researched wigwaggers. And this is a Fast Wagger 240 version 4.0 that I got on Amazon for $25. I'll leave a link in the description below. What I'm doing is pointing to my 12-volt bus. It's a regulated 12-volt bus with a buck converter. Thank you, R-Man, for the advice on that. And here is the wigwagger 240 module with dual 12-volt output. It's also good for 24 volts too. But it's waterproof, stuck on there with 3M tape, and I use some quick disconnects that go to the LED marker lights, the amber ones. I had white ones in there, but this is too obnoxiously bright, crazy bright. So I said, well, let's just do a caution flasher type system. Alright guys, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.